Send link to file box allows you to send email notification of your private files and the access key to access those files. To send a link to a file box, click on Send Link File Box. Next to Member File Box, choose whose box you would like to send. In the To email, put in the email to send to. Next to Subject, put in the subject of the email. In the message box, this is the message that will be sent. Keep the information that is already in there, however you can add more information as needed. When finished, click Send Email. To return to the BannerFile dashboard, click on BannerFile Home.